there are several types of triggers in the Oracle. Okay, so you have to define classified according to the following features. Okay, so some like according to the events I told you, there are how many kinds of events we have it. We have like insert, update, and delete word. So these three important kinds of events we have it: insert, update, and delete. Okay, so level, what are the different levels we have it? Like a row level, statement level, once per SQL statement. Row level means equal to once for each row affected by the SQL statement over there. So it has effects at the row level. Timings denotes before and after the event. Sometime you want that this event should occur before insertion, this trigger should occur before updation, or this occur should occur before deletion, and sometime you want it should occur after insertion, after updation, and after deletion. So timing is also important for the events. Like for example, if you want to give bonus to any employee, so to insert a bonus, before that one you want to update his status. For example, if you say that if you want to give bonus, so his status must be updated like from operational manager to the general manager, let's suppose. So what you have to do to give the bonus to him, you have to update his his position over there. So his position before the giving the bonus, you have to like run the trigger for it. So what is that trigger? Change the position. Okay, and then you will add the bonus for it. So then the addition of the bonus will be done after that. Sometime some of the triggers you want to do after the events. Let's suppose for example, if you completed all the course, okay, and then means like your for example your all courses will be like for example the transcript, then you can apply for the transcript over there. So the application for the transcript will be then when you complete all the courses over there. So there is a timing difference for the triggers. So also instead of the trigger, statement or the row level can also be happen. We will see that how at statement level and at the row level it works.